Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basic power. Plug the original charger for at least 15 to 30 minutes and watch for a charging LED or battery icon. If nothing appears, swap to a known good USB cable and wall adapter to eliminate the charger as the culprit. While charging, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds. That long press can force a reboot. Once done, try short presses to wake the device. This separates button failure from battery or charging issues. Next, move to advanced boot attempts and battery diagnostics. Use the device-specific button combo, typically power plus volume down or up, holding for 10 to 20 seconds to trigger recovery or safe mode. This helps determine if the OS is failing to start. If your model has a removable battery, take it out for 1 minute, then reinsert and power on to clear residual charge. Also observe subtle signs like vibration, warmth when charging, or a faint backlight. These clues tell you whether power reaches internal components. Finally, attempt recovery or arrange hardware repair. If the phone shows activity but won't boot, connect it to a PC and use the manufacturer recovery tool or ADB/fastboot to reinstall firmware. This can fix software corruption. If there's no power or evidence of battery swelling, a hardware fault is likely. Replace the battery or visit a certified repair center and report water exposure or physical damage. One key troubleshooting tip: document symptoms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.